All right, step 3, we're tracking calories. Well, we have a calorie goal for fat loss and what type of calories we're taking in. What do we use to track? Do we write it down on a piece of paper? If that's what you want to do, go for it. Look, I like to use MyFitnessPal. It's free. You don't need to pay to upgrade it. All we are doing with MyFitnessPal is using it to track our calories. That's it. If it starts to tell you with MyFitnessPal that you're burning calories, turn that function off. Go to goals and settings. That is where you can go and take the calories from fullertonnutrition.com. You can put them into MyFitnessPal. So MyFitnessPal is going to give you way too little amount of calories. And that's why people aren't getting results. I'm telling you guys, just trust the process and you'll be shocked. Shoot, go look at the results people are getting. Go listen to the podcast that people are getting results increasing their calories. Every single person I've helped lose weight increase their calories. And no, it's not reverse dieting. I'm so sick of hearing that word. But MyFitnessPal will be an easy way to track. And I get it. MyFitnessPal sometimes gives you like 10,000 different options of a ribeye steak. Just pick any ribeye steak. It's going to be fine. And then you're going to use a food scale. So I got the food scale. There's no best food scale. All that matters, as long as it's accurate, you're going to be golden. So don't think you need to spend $100 on a freaking food scale. Using the food scale for the meats, I measure my meats out raw because by the time I'm done cooking, I don't want to wait to eat. I'm hungry and I want to eat. So I'll do them raw. And then once you do that, you throw that into MyFitnessPal. Be like, all right, 16-ounce ribeye steak. It's going to be like 1,600 calories. Most of you guys aren't going to be eating that much of a ribeye steak. That's one thing that's nice about the ribeye steaks, though. The fattier meats make it easier to drive up those calories. So instead of chicken breast, chicken thighs, I do not like to do turkey. And the reason for I don't like to do turkey is because it takes 2 pounds of ground turkey to hit 1,000 calories. So my calorie goal is 800 calories. So this is, not 800, 2,400 calories. I like to divide up my calorie goal by 3. So I do 800 calories per meal. So when I do that, it makes it a lot easier. So when you go out to eat, go out to breakfast, you don't have to worry about tracking the calories. You just need to be concerned with hitting your calorie goal for your meal with anything that's on the menu. Going out to eat is easier than staying at home and eating because you can pick any item off the menu and you just pick your calorie goal with a meat and a veggie and you're golden. So I do True Meal for the first meal of my day. It's the meal replacement protein shake. I started Fullerton Nutrition when I had my own gym, and I found out the number one reason why people don't get results is because they don't take in enough calories. People don't have time to get in a quick, easy meal. I don't want to make breakfast, so that's why I formulated True Meal. That's how True Meal got started. So it's 400 calories. So 400 calories is my first meal of the day. My goal is 2,400. So the next 2 meals are 1,000 calories. So I hit my calorie goal every single day with the meat and the veggies. True Meal is my first meal of the day. So with MyFitnessPal, that is what you can be using to track the calories with. And like I said, in part 2, you don't have to make all these crazy Betty Crocker meals. Look, you just got to eat to live, not live to eat. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Take in the right amount of calories, hit your calorie goal, controlling blood sugars. So look at food differently that way. That is definitely going to help you stay on track to be like, there's no point in even eating that piece of cake or drinking that soda or having that Pop-Tart or the cookies and ice cream. It's not going to benefit your body. You're going to feel bloated and disgusting after having it anyways. Who loves feeling bloated? I sure don't. So using MyFitnessPal is key to tracking the calories. Makes it so simple. It's an easy app to use. There's a scanner on there, but if you're scanning your food, you probably shouldn't be eating the food that you're scanning because it's going to be loaded in carbs and sugars. You can use any app you want to track. I don't care as long as you're tracking calories. Another great easy way, a quick way to find out your calories of what you're eating is just use Google. All you got to do is do nutrition facts on carrots. It's going to give you the nutrition facts. And sometimes you can change the portion sizes of it, but if it says a cup of carrots is this many calories, then just know that. Or let's say chicken thighs. So nutrition facts on chicken thighs, it's an easy way to gauge on where you're at. Find your calorie goal. Let's say 800 calories you have for that meal. Do 700 calories in chicken thighs, and then you're going to do like 20 to 30 calories in your veggies, and then another 60 calories from any sauce you put on, and you're golden. It's that simple on tracking. So if you don't want to constantly track with MyFitnessPal, divide your calories by 3. and then hit that calorie goal with every meal. That's going to keep you on track to hitting your calories throughout the day. Like I said, with the macros, with MyFitnessPal, don't be concerned with macros. As long as you're eating meat and veggies, you're going to get your proteins in. You're going to get all your calories in with the meat and the veggies. But that's the app that I like to use with tracking the calories.